And yes sir, we are back at it with another video. And I'm currently warming up the truck because I haven't started the truck in a minute. Alright, so the objective today is honestly, I gotta put new plugs and coil packs in because I fried the plugs and coil packs. I ran stage 2 with stock plugs, and supposedly you could do that, but it was recommended that you go colder plugs. So I didn't go colder plugs, but I bought them. So there's OEM plugs and then there's colder plugs. The part number for the colder plugs is right here. And I got all new coil packs as well. And these are the part numbers for the coil packs. Alright, so yeah. So I got new coil packs, new plugs. They're both got to go inside the Beamer right now. They are pre-gap, but I'm gonna gap them to the perfect spec with that, which I think is 0.022. I'm definitely gonna look it up before I start doing it. If you notice, this is like all rusted up a little bit. I don't know, it's just because of the material of this that does that, or because it was also leaking. Because if you come over here, you'll see like oil marks around where the oil filter cap is. So I'm assuming it was leaking where the gasket is. And it's a little wet right here too. Okay, so I finally got a lot of stuff off the car already. I got the brace off. I got all the plastic pieces off. I put the glove on top of the thing like he said. So I finally got to the first plug, and I'm looking at the plug and like, damn. I really burnt the shit out of these plugs. This really goes to show, do your maintenance before you just jump into stuff. Plugs really need to be addressed before you just start tuning it. Absolutely. But yeah, let's just put these new plugs in. I'll go through one of them one by one. I would show you the steps, but I don't have the camera to make like the fast up way of going about it and showing you like the speed up thing. I don't know what it's called, but I don't have the camera to do that. So I'm just doing it right now. I'm gonna go back to you guys whenever I'm finished doing what I'm doing. Hopefully I can get done with it before the sun goes down, because the sun is currently going down. Hopefully the car would run with no misfires after, and then we'll address this situation later on, probably like the next day or something. But I still need to order this part. I'm slacking on ordering this part. Let's just get to these plugs first, because oh my god, this is crazy, bro. You see how burnt that is? I don't know if the camera's gonna focus. Like, bro. All right, let's just jump back into it. Yeah. All right, so I finally got the spark plugs and the coil packs in, but I kind of had a little problem with this little brace right here. This screw accidentally dropped it into like this like little hole right here. So I panicked, bro. I grabbed 2 ply things and tried to weasel it out like a surgeon, and then I dropped it underneath here. Hopefully it'll be Gucci. I'm just gonna have to find a screw. Hopefully it'll be all right for right now without it. All right, the moment of truth. Hopefully, I'm praying, hopefully everything goes good. Still throwing a code. It says charge battery. MHD still connecting. Come on, motherfucker. Alright, so right now, just gonna move the G20. I put everything back on the Beamer, and everything is looking good. It sounded good. That tick went away, maybe because it was just cold and I haven't started in a couple of months. Maybe that's why I was ticking. I'm praying that's what it is, but as of right now, there's no codes. I cleared the codes on the MHD. and nothing came back. So I just want to kind of move this car out the way and back that car out maybe. Nah, I'm really low-key nervous. I'm not even gonna lie, driving this car. It feels like the first time I got it, honestly. I'm just trying to fill her out before I put her on the highway. I'm not even gonna lie to you guys. I'm even scared to put it in sport mode, bro. Like, I don't want to break her any more than I already did. Like, I'm like a self-conscious, very, very, very self-conscious person. I feel all the noises she makes. All right. Slap in the sport. Yep, I forgot how loud she is. Yep. Oh my God, I miss this car, bro. It feels like the first time I got this car. I literally had that same vibe that I got when I first got this car. Yeah, I forgot how fucking loud she is. For the most part, she's driving really good though. I forgot how she drives. Like, I really missed this car. I really did. But yeah, now that that's done, I am gonna focus on. I'm gonna start focusing on the thermostat. I'm gonna do that next, and then I'm gonna do a little bit of accessories on the outside. Well, I think that's all for the video today. I'm sorry it wasn't more exciting. Thank you guys for watching everything.